Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change language on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to onlyfans.com and hit on enter. As you can see, I have already logged in. If you guys have not logged in, do log in right now. Well, let's focus on changing our language right now. Right now, to change the language, you can either click on this profile button that you will find at the top left, or simply click on this more button. Let's click on either. And in this pop-up, you will find something called as language. The icon is the globe. As you can see right here, simply click on it and scroll down. These are the languages that are available in OnlyFans. You can select any one among them. For instance, I'm gonna select this one. And as you can see, the language has been successfully changed. Now if you want to go back to your default language once again, let's retrace the steps. Click on this button or this icon right here. And what we want to follow is this globe icon. Simply click on it again and select your default language. And there you have it guys. That's how you change your language on OnlyFans. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.